Importance of critical thinking. Critical thinking means the ability to think logically and clearly on a topic. It is expected here to always challenge your talent by finding logic in any concept, understanding it, not thinking in a stereotyped and cliché way. It is important to think in advance about the assumptions that are being made here. Critical thinking is a thought process in which the available conclusions or counter arguments are not readily accepted but questioned. What and how much evidence is there for that conclusion is investigated and measure it. Today, the world is changing rapidly. As rapidly as it changes, we have to keep pace with and accept the changes. At the same time, however, we must also develop a capacity to intelligently turn the tide when required and apply the newly acquired up to date knowledge to our project. How to analyze it and how you can contribute your knowledge to work in a different way. A flawless style of managing this is well in demand in the industrial world, underlining the importance of critical thinking, which enables us to fulfill these demands of industry. Motivation to artistic thinking. The more critical thinking is done on a problem, the more artistic or creative ideas gain momentum. When thinking about remedies for a problem, think of a slightly different, modest solution beyond the usual measures that no one would have thought of till date. Because of critical thinking, such ideas flourish, and not only for that problem, but on all aspects. Useful in self assessment. Whether it is work or your personal life, it is very important to keep self testing every time to prove yourself. In the process of critical thinking, our ideas and imagination are questioned. If they look wrong from any angle, then improvements are suggested. Overall, you get a chance to try out all the ideas or changes in the thought process, what improvements must be made in the true sense. Helping to alter old contexts or predilections. Critical thinking always keeps us updated because when the evidence and references available to you are tried repeatedly, then over time new changes in that information are made known to you and new references can be assessed. Apart from this, critical thinking also proves beneficial in understanding the difference between your opinion and reality. Your opinion may be emotional, but in reality, it may be different. After this process, appropriate changes can be made, helping in understanding and in cultivating efficiency. Critical thinking helps you to accept new idea, concept, context, and information very easily. They are easily assessed because it improves the earlier context. Simultaneously, the crisis or failure in the process of critical thinking is foreseen. So, when you start work, the chances of failure are less and the efficiency increases. Improvement in language and presentation. In the process of critical thinking, it is a matter of fact that the speed of your thoughts increases. While searching for questions, a lot of new information is obtained. Even when you have limited knowledge, you can present it very masterfully. You dominate the language. With this, you also know how to present it, and its presentation capacity increases.